You spend a third of your life doing this. But what's actually happening? Sleep isn't your brain shutting off, it's your brain going to work. Each night, you cycle through several distinct stages of sleep. Stage 1 is the lightest, just drifting off. In stage 2, sleep spindles fire, and your body relaxes further. Then comes stage 3. Deep sleep begins. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, repairing muscle, tissue, and bone. Deep sleep also activates your brain's own cleaning system, the glymphatic system. It flushes out waste, including proteins linked to conditions like Alzheimer's. Then comes REM sleep, where your brain activity spikes right back up. REM helps move what you learned that day into long-term memory. It also helps process emotional experiences, taking the edge off difficult feelings. This is also when most dreaming happens. This whole cycle repeats about every 90 minutes. Over a full night, you'll move through 4 to 6 of these cycles. Skip these cycles, and the first thing to go is your focus. Without enough REM, your memories don't consolidate properly. Skip deep sleep too often, and those toxins don't get cleared. Naturally, deep sleep declines as we get older. Blue light from screens tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. That delays melatonin, the hormone that signals it's time to sleep. So, tip 1. Keep a consistent sleep and wake time, even on weekends. Tip 2. Keep your room dark and cool. Put the screens away an hour before bed. So the next time you're tempted to cut sleep short, remember, it's not downtime. It's your brain's most important job.